In your low speed aerodynamics, you will perform one experiment, because we are not in live class, otherwise I could have done the performance. So you will do one thing. You need a spoon. Actually, you need a spoon. That spoon you can get from the, but must be plastic. It must be plastic spoon, so your experiment will go well. But if you don't have plastic spoon, you can try with your steel spoon, because steel or some metal spoon is easily available in home. But actually, with that spoon, the process will not work properly, and it is my own experience. That's why I am giving you this. You see, what will you do? You take one. See, you do one thing. You have tap water, right? Tap water in your home. Tap water in your bathroom or basin or somewhere. Tap water. So open the tap water with full speed, with very high speed. You open the tap water. Okay. So the tap water will be coming down, and make sure it should not come as turbulent. Little bit turbulent is okay. It should come as laminar. Okay. Even though turbulent is coming, this experiment will work. Okay. Now you do one thing. You take the spoon. Okay. I'm drawing the lateral view. So my spoon will look like this. This is the handle, and the lateral view I'm drawing. Lateral view. Okay. This is the lateral view. So you put your spoon in the flow. You put your spoon in the flow. Then you know what will happen? The moment you will put the spoon in the flow, spoon will tilt this side automatically. So tonight after lecture or tomorrow, you can perform this. Why it is happening? Because of this curvature, because of this guy. Okay. And whoever is watching this concept on YouTube, they will be amazed after knowing this. Yes, it is very simple. You can perform at home, right, guys? Everyone, you will be like amazed. Yeah, this is happening. It is very easy. So actually, what is airfoil? Yeah, time is about to over.